My 2021 Sprinter van is finally here after a long 4-month wait, and we are super excited to get started on the build, and I just wanted to show you around before we start building it out. All right, let's take a look. It came with a very basic radio console, which we're actually excited about because we don't like those big full screens with maps and everything. I just like a basic, regular radio. Fine with me. So one of the things we were sure to get from the factory were these swivel seats so we can turn them around and enjoy the van and hang out. So I'm just going to show you how they work. There's just a lever below the seat. And here you go. And then we can just sit and enjoy the view and hang out without looking out the windows. And these seats are actually very comfortable, so I could see myself sitting here and working. And it's just something that I had to have in this van. So there you have it. That's the tour of the Sprinter van for now before it's built out. Our first step will be to put in a bed system back here. We're actually expanding the bed with the flare space system that allows us to sleep sideways with a queen size bed, and we are super excited about that, so stay tuned. Also, I will be documenting the entire Sprinter van build here on the YouTube channel. So make sure you like and subscribe, and you can follow along with us.